Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zillow Premier Agent for lead management workflow, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type Zillow Premier Agent and press enter. Locate the official Zillow Premier Agent website from the search results. Click on the link to access the Zillow Premier Agent homepage. Once the page loads, look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be directed to a login page. Enter your registered email address in the first input box. Next, input your password in the second box. If you want the system to remember your credentials, check the box labeled Remember Me. After confirming your details, click the login button at the bottom of the page. Wait a moment as the system processes your information. Upon successful login, you will be redirected to your Zillow Premier Agent dashboard. Explore the dashboard, which provides an overview of your leads and activity. To manage your leads effectively, click on the Leads tab on the left side of the screen. Here, you can view new leads, follow up with existing ones, and prioritize your tasks. To access lead details, click on any lead listing. This will open a detailed view where you can add notes, schedule follow-ups, and communicate directly. If you need to manage your settings, click on your profile image in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to customize your account preferences. Make sure to review your notifications and communication settings for better workflow management. Return to the dashboard to continue monitoring and managing your leads. You are now fully logged in and equipped to utilize Zillow Premier Agent for your lead management workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.